To download Tiny Glade on a PC or laptop, the first step is to download Steam, an application that allows users to buy, download, install, and play games. This is achieved by searching for Steam on Google, then clicking on the store.steampowered.com link, which leads to the Steam website. On the website, the Install Steam button is clicked, and the user is prompted to select their platform, such as Windows. After clicking Install Steam again, the Steam setup downloads onto the computer. The Steam setup is then opened, and a pop-up window appears, guiding the user through the installation process. The user clicks Next, selects their language, and chooses a destination folder for the installation. The language and destination folder can be selected as desired, and then Install is clicked to begin the installation. Once Steam is installed, the app is opened, and the user is prompted to either log in or create an account. If an account is created, the user follows the on-screen instructions and then logs in to access the Steam app. If the exact screen is not visible, the user hovers over the Store button and clicks on Featured to enter the Steam store. In the Steam store, the user searches for the game Tiny Glade in the search box and clicks on the game to access its page. The user then clicks Add to Cart and proceeds to the payment process, selecting a payment method and completing the checkout. After purchasing the game, it is added to the Steam library, which can be accessed by clicking on the Library tab and selecting Games. The game is then installed by clicking on it and pressing the Install button. The user is prompted to select a drive for installation and choose whether to create a desktop or Start menu shortcut. After selecting the installation options, the user clicks Install, and Steam automatically downloads and installs the game. Once the installation is complete, a notification is received, and the game can be launched by clicking the Play button.